Apple reportedly plans to launch a new bundled subscription service for music, news, and more. We have talked about this many times on the show. I remember when they had the big press moment and the really weird event when they were announcing Apple News or TV. I can't remember which one it was. And they had all these celebrities come out in different, and they put the spotlight on the celebrity. And it was just a very surreal type of vibe to it. And they talk about what project they're doing. And then you got Tim Cook there. And it's all very quiet.
Yeah.
It was kind of like you were waiting for crickets in the background. But anyway, they want to continue their march towards being your services company for all the stuff, all the services you need. And one of the barriers is the fact that they've got so many different products now. They've got News Plus, TV Plus, Apple Arcade, Apple Music, and iCloud. And they want you to pay for all these things. Well, here's the problem. If I got to sign up for each one individually, I'm starting to add it up myself and say, do I need every single one of those? A la carte style? It's going to cost you a few dollars, I would assume. If you have, each one of those is like $10 a month, right? So apparently they're going to bundle it together, maybe like Amazon does with Prime, something like this, and make it seem more affordable and likely apply a discount if you want to be a customer for all of these things. And they'll probably encourage people to use the services more because right now, out of the bunch, I say, okay, maybe you go for TV Plus or maybe you go for Apple Music, which is probably the most popular of the bunch. But then getting another 10 out of me for Apple News Plus, good luck. But if it's part of the bundle, I'll say I'll give it a shot. So that's the idea. We don't have a price right now. Obviously, it's a rumor at the moment. Bloomberg reported on Thursday. This might be called Apple One. It's currently being referred to as Apple One by employees. It's kind of a good name. I don't mind it. Apple One. It feels very simple and clean. It's one subscription to rule them all. I live entirely inside of my Apple ecosystem. I never go anywhere else. I read my Apple News. I watch my Apple TV Plus. I stare at my iPhone. I listen to my AirPods.
It's like, what are you on right now? Well, I'm on the One.
Yeah, I'm on One. I'm on that one. Apple One. So anyways, you guys let me know if you're going to sign up for something like this. They're making a lot of money, by the way, off services. $13.16 billion in revenue during Apple's fiscal third quarter, showing double-digit growth in services. Apparently, the only one lagging is the news product, as we may have suspected. I think I remember talking about the New York Times or one of those big publications actually pulled out of the Apple News deal because they were like, we're not making any money over here. What are we doing? And then Tim Cook was sitting there saying, give us a little more time. Jeez, we just started this thing. And they're saying, no, thank you. We're selling subscriptions, big money over here. We got the paywall doing work.
Yeah.
Paywalls. I don't know about you, but the paywall, it really kind of turns me off.
Yeah, it hits hard on Lou Later here.
I'm reading the news and paywalls. I often will just look for a different source. I'll just be like, all right, fine, paywall. And the paywall doesn't prevent other sites from picking up the same story and even citing the story. I mean, this story here in CNBC is citing the Bloomberg story.
Right.
And the Bloomberg story is trying to get money from me. So I'm just like, is this feasible? I understand you want to support the stuff that you like. And if you're there on that source every single day, you can throw a few bucks. It's all right. But I'm on Google News. And if I'm on Google News, I see the Bloomberg story and I see the CNBC story of the same topic, one then the next. It's almost encouraging me to click the one that doesn't have the paywall. So it's tough. It's a tough game, the paywall game. But Apple's trying to put it all behind the paywall, whether it's arcade, news, music, TV Plus. They want to be your wall to the web, and they put a gate. You see? Applegate.
Yeah. Welcome to the One.
Somebody named Applegate. Was that
Applegate? Oh.
Right? Isn't that somebody's last name? Christina Applegate.
Oh, the actress?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
Was she from what was that TV show back in the day? I can't find it right now.
Love and Marriage?
Yeah, that's the song.
Marriage.
That's the song, but is that the actual name of the
Yeah.
Was that the name of that with Al Bundy in it?
Oh,
Love and Mage?
it's a song.
It is a song. That was the song in the intro of the show. But was that the name of the TV series?
No.
No, it wasn't.
Wait,
See? Yes, it was.
96?
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
Maybe it was. I don't know. I don't think so. I think it had a different name, man. Married with Children?
Is it?
Yeah, I think it was called Married
Oh,
with Children.
yeah,
What
I
are we
think you're
doing?
right.
Look at us. Why did that pop up? Why did that take that long to pop up in my mind? And was she in it or am I crazy? Yes, she was.
Yeah, she was.
Okay. All right. Me and Will are 72 years old. That's all we learned here. Actually, that came out in 87. I certainly didn't watch it in 87. 87, I was 2 years old. So I wasn't watching at that moment. But yes, Christina Applegate. I just created an Applegate to the wall and then somehow we ended here. But that's the beauty of the show, Will.
Oh, yeah.
You never know where you're going to go.
Nope.
But one thing you do know is we'll always
Come right back or no?
find our way home.
Yeah.
We'll always find our way home.
Homeward bound.
That's another throwback right there.